Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is actually an unboxing video, and so I had actually ordered a mannequin hand, and I haven't had a mannequin hand yet, and I decided to order one because it would be easier for me to make videos and more tutorials for you guys, and to do more reviews like this. So I'm actually just going to unbox this with you guys, and so I don't think I'm doing a voiceover today, so y'all getting the real Mad Max right now. So, Anali.
Flock, and if you rip off the sleeve, she a run with it that. Ask a girl what she know about you. You're no freer than no pussy, you're no freer than no crew. Oh, what I want, go a pumpkin belly. The girl, I go find out from she this you. Go tell a girl, chat to your back. She can't touch a button of you, she can't. Go tell a girl, chat to your back. She can't touch a button of you, she can't. You a real bad girl when no take back chat. And anything you say, you can't defend that. You a real bad girl when no take back chat. And anything you say, you can't defend that. Anyway you go, you know.
What is this? I did not order no perfume. When I ordered, did it come with a gift? I did not order no perfume. I swear I did not order no perfume. So I guess this is included in the video. but I know for a fact I did not order no perfume. That's weird. I don't know if it came with the I don't know. I don't know. No business. Okay, so this is the real box right here. Y'all don't use y'all nails as tools. Let me move this. See if I can even open this right. Okay. So, like I said, I had ordered this for about $25. And I will add the link at the bottom of the video if you guys are interested in ordering the mannequin hand. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, that thing looking nice. And this is the mannequin hand. And as you guys can see, it do... wait, hold up, y'all. Move this out the way. Y'all see that? I'm tripping, or am I tripping? Include 100 tips. Include 100 tips. Okay. So we're gonna open this thing.
Flock, and if you rip off the sleeve, she a run with it that. Ask a girl what she know about you. You're no freer than no pussy, you're no freer than no crew. Oh, what I want, go a pumpkin belly. The girl, I go find out from she this you. Go tell a girl, chat to your back. She can't touch a button of you, she can't. Go tell a girl, chat to your back. She can't touch a button of you, she can't. You a real bad girl when no take back chat. And anything you say, you can't defend that. You a real bad girl when no take back chat. And anything you say, you can't defend that. Anyway you go, you know say you're safe. Cause anyway you go, girl, you bad and you brave. And girl, this year she must get a green. She have to run, we go live in a cave. She want take where your man, she again. A them thing that make you must miss the aim. Spend the time and the money we him save. And not together forever for the rest of no days, yeah. Wedding brace and bella pass through. Girl, put on the ring and shout, say.
I really like how it's set up. So far, I really like how they set it up. I don't know when I ordered this perfume, but I guess, thank you. I had to look at my Amazon wish list or whatever. But yeah, so this is the mannequin hand. And as you guys can see, it is really simple. It has the stand where you can put it on the edge of the table. Then you have your 100 nail tips. And the nail tips, you can actually file it as a real natural nail and apply your primer, whatever you want to do to feel like you're doing a real full set. And these are the tips, 100 tips. And it's actually movable. I really like that it's movable. It feels kind of real. Nice to meet you. What we gonna name her? What should we name her? I'm gonna let y'all comment down below and name my mannequin hand. And so in the next video, whatever name I like best, I'll start calling her that. It's nice and flexible. Let's see if I can peel. So I'm gonna see if I can actually take one of the tips off as if I was doing a set. And I'm not gonna do a real set right now. Oh, it pops off really, really easy. Really easy. And it clips right back in. And so I'm gonna grab a file right quick and see if I can do a quick buff. I have no problems. It doesn't pop off. And I like how the natural nail tip is, this would be like the cuticle area. So right here, you wouldn't go past that area or you're overflowing the cuticle area. So that's nice. And I like the skin tone. I love it. I really like the skin tone. Brown skin gal there. Feel me? Brown skin gal. So what do you guys think of the mannequin hand so far? I really like it. For me, I really like it. For $25, it is not bad at all. It's not. And it's simple. It's not too much that you have to do to set it up. You just put it at the edge of the table and you all set up. I really like it. I feel like it was worth the price. $25, definitely worth it. Oh, and including shipping, so I believe it was about $30. But like I said, it ranged from 25 to 30. So yeah, it's good practice. The nail tips, I believe they have the nail tips separate. So if you guys do run out of nail tips, you are able to order nail tips. So yeah, I would definitely give it a try. If you're a new nail tech coming in the game, you feel me, definitely order one of these because it will definitely be helpful for practice.
You can defend that. You a real bad girl when no take back chat. And anything you say, you can defend that. True. No girl can style you.